I will show you how to change front brake pads in BMW 1100 RS. I think RS model has bigger discs because brake caliper cannot be taken off from the wheel with pads on. You see? I don't know. There's not enough space to, when brakes are on inside, to take it off, because you can take it off this much and you're not able to twist it. So first you need to do this. You have to take it out, this pin. It's inside here. It is holding the brake pads. It's holding brake pads. Oh shit. Brake pads are sitting here like this. You have to take it out. It can only be moved this way. You cannot take it out pointing there. It can only go out outside. You can see in the other side there's a tiny hole. You have to put something inside and try to hammer it. Usually it goes outside very well without a problem. Now, if you want to put it back together, first you put it here, the brake caliper. Then you take the brake pads. I'm recording and doing it in one hand. You see, I'm taking it. I will put it in. Yep. Like this. One. And then I have to put here second one. Now I can show you. I can show you how to put it right. See, this is the pin. It goes here. It is good to spray it with copper grease. Only the pin, of course. And try to push it on. I'll try to do it with my knee. See, it's going inside. Quite easy. And let it go. No. Okay. Maybe it's better to tight the brake caliper. Okay. I will try to catch it with bolts. Okay. I think you should tighten it with 32 Newton meters of torque. So not too much. But it's enough to hold them. Okay. I will use now my favorite tool, hammer, and try to see, it's going inside. And it is done. Okay. Thank you for watching.